This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Open File Manager from Files now. Once there, pick the correct document root, public HTML for the primary site, because location determines what you edit. Make sure hidden files are visible so htaccess or config files aren't missed. Before you change anything, download a quick backup of the folder you'll edit. This protects you if a file corrupts. With files listed, you can navigate folders, select items, and start precise actions like upload or edit immediately. Start by uploading any new files. Drag and drop or the upload button works. Watch the progress and confirm sizes match. Once files are present, right-click and choose Edit or Code Edit to modify content. Select the right character encoding and save often to avoid data loss. For themes or plugins, upload a zip and use extract to unpack to the target folder. Double-check the destination path so items land where the application expects them. Also, update file timestamps if your app caches aggressively. After edits, move files into final locations with cut and paste so paths match your app's configuration. Once placed, set correct permissions. Files often need 644 and folders 755 to prevent access errors and make sure ownership matches if you have multi-user hosting. Then clear any app caches and reload pages to test. If something breaks, don't panic. Restore the backup you made and check CPanel error logs to pinpoint issues. This single troubleshooting step usually shows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.